Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the essentials. Charge the watch above 50%, enable GPS and continuous heart rate, and turn on Do Not Disturb. Once paired to your phone and synced, confirm firmware and activity data are up to date so metrics are accurate. Now open the Run profile, select Outdoor GPS mode, set accuracy and a target pace or distance. This first step ensures clean data and prevents mid-run interruptions, so you get meaningful feedback. Once underway, use your watch as a real-time coach. Glance at pace, cadence, heart rate, and distance on a customizable screen that keeps the most important metric prominent. If pacing drifts, press lap or rely on auto-lap every kilometer or mile to reset focus. Adjust displayed metrics mid-run to match current goals. For structure, load a guided workout or set interval timers with vibration or audio prompts. These let you concentrate on form, while the watch handles timing and feedback. You finish by saving the session and immediately reviewing key metrics, splits, heart rate zones, cadence trends, and any pace anomalies so you understand what changed and why. Once synced to the phone app, inspect maps and training load for long-term progression and export or share if needed. If GPS drifts or heart rate spikes appear, try toggling the sensors, resyncing with the phone, or restarting the watch. These quick fixes resolve most data issues without losing your workout.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.